the universe has no choice but to deliver, just relax and ask. 99% of people are making this mistake without realizing it. Are you? Imagine if the universe had no choice but to give you exactly what you want. Sounds impossible, right? But here's the thing, this is how reality actually works. People who understand this secret effortlessly manifest their desires, while everyone else struggles, and the craziest part. Most people are unknowingly blocking their own manifestations. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make the universe deliver everything you've been asking for. But before I reveal the final, most powerful step, let me show you something that will change the way you see reality forever. Welcome to Laws of the Universe, where we decode the hidden mechanics of manifestation, the law of assumption, and Neville Goddard's most powerful teachings. Stay with me, because I guarantee by the end, you'll never look at your life the same way again. Think about this. Have you ever asked for something, truly believed it would happen, but then nothing? No sign from the universe, no manifestation, just silence. Why? Because most people are doing one thing that tells the universe not to deliver, and once you realize what that is, everything changes. Neville Goddard taught that the universe always responds, but only when you ask correctly. And the key? It's not about forcing or doubting. It's about relaxing, asking, and trusting that the universe has no choice but to deliver. And here's where it gets crazy. Most people think manifestation is about affirmations, visualization, or working harder. But that's where they're wrong, the real secret. The universe delivers not when you chase, but when you let go. Stay with me, because in just a moment, I'll reveal the biggest mistake people make, and how to instantly correct it. Okay, here's the first thing you need to know. The moment you ask, the universe immediately starts shifting reality to deliver what you desire. But here's where most people get stuck. They start looking for signs. They keep checking. They wonder, why isn't it here yet? And that single thought, it tells the universe, I don't have it yet. And guess what? The universe listens. So, what's the solution? You need to master the art of assuming it's already done, and I'll show you how. But before I do, let me tell you something shocking. Neville Goddard didn't just talk about manifestation, he proved it. He showed people how to ask the universe in a way that made their desires unavoidable, and once you understand this method, you'll see how the universe has no choice but to deliver everything you ask for, automatically. At first, I thought this was just wishful thinking. But then I saw real results. I tested it. I relaxed. I asked. And suddenly, things just started happening. Opportunities, money, relationships, manifestations started pouring in, and if that surprised me, what I discovered next completely changed my life. Here it is, the ultimate truth: the universe does not respond to begging, hoping, or needing, it responds to certainty. The moment you ask without doubt, when you fully assume it's already yours, the universe has no choice but to deliver. That's why Neville Goddard said, assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Not tomorrow. Not someday. Now. But here's what most people miss. This is the secret that guarantees manifestation. You must let go of all resistance. What does that mean? It means you stop looking for proof. You stop questioning. You stop doubting. You don't ask, when will it come? You simply live as if it already has. Think about this. When you place an order at a restaurant, do you sit there wondering if the food will come? No. You relax, you wait, and you expect it to arrive. That's the exact energy you need when asking the universe. Once you understand this, manifestation becomes effortless. And here's something most people never realize. There's one final step that speeds up manifestation like nothing else. And I'll reveal it in my upcoming video, so make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, because this is the missing piece everyone overlooks. But for now, take this with you: the universe is listening. Relax. Ask. And watch how reality shifts in your favor.